Connecting your Jetstream Smart Bulb to your mobile device. Start by downloading the Jetstream Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Enter the app and connect your smart bulb to your mobile device by selecting the plus sign at the top right corner of your app's home screen. Then select the Lighting tab and pick the first light bulb from the list. Click the Confirm button. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and wait for your smart bulb to sync to your mobile device, allowing you to access it wherever you are. Press Done to complete the sync process. From your mobile device, you can easily adjust the brightness, warmth, and color of your light, depending on the model you own. You'll also be able to use a series of different predefined scene presets, including night, leisure, working, and more. The default presets are customizable, allowing you to easily create your own unique settings. Brightness control. You can easily adjust your smart bulb's brightness by pressing Bright on your app's home screen. Move the brightness adjustment lever and watch your light bulb respond, getting darker and brighter in real time. Explore the Jetstream Home app for endless options to customize your smart devices. Please contact Ematic customer service for additional support.